Okay, so now it's time to make our navbar sticky. So what I will do is inside this navbar folder only, I will make a CSS file. So I will name it navbar.module.css. Okay, I will just paste here this dot mobile name CSS. So here we have position that is sticky, and top is 0, means margin from top it's 0. So now what we have to do, we have to apply this to our navbar. So what we'll do is here we'll first wrap, instead of fragment we'll change it to div, and we'll come back here and we'll apply the CSS using class name equals, okay, and then our navbar module. So we have to import that, import nav styles from dot class. Yeah, okay, so now it's done. Now let's see if it works or not. Okay, so our server is running. Okay, so now just come here. Okay, so you will see that our navbar, you see it's sticky, but some of the elements are just coming over it, like these buttons and then this let's learn. So we'll fix that also. So here first we remove this position, that is absolute. Okay, so we'll remove it, and now if we just check it out and see if it's okay, let's learn. Where is let's learn? Okay, this one. So just remove this from also here. Okay, now you see. So here the position defines where an element is placed in our website. So the position should be static so that it doesn't come over our navbar. So when we commented this out, it by default I think it takes the position as static, and if it doesn't take, we will put it as static, as we'll do it in button. Now for these buttons, we'll apply position equals static, and let's see if this works or not. So just remember that with position static, our elements won't over, means come at the top of this. So you see now that is also fixed. So next we will start working on my to-dos, and here we will work with the MobX with TypeScript for easy state management, and we'll see how it works and how easy MobX makes our work. Okay, thank you.